In this video, I will explain some basic words that are common or related to Clubhouse app in particular. So first you have a room. A room is a place where conversations happen. Each room has a title and you basically pick which room you want to join in based on your interests. And there are 3 roles within a room. There is a moderator, a speaker, and a listener. A moderator is a person who starts a room. You are the speaker with special power to add or remove other speakers. You guide the entire room, the conversation, and you set the pace, style, and design. As you would say, you're the captain of the ship. But we'll talk about the moderator features more in the upcoming lectures. The next person is a speaker. The speaker is a person in a room who has the ability to talk, and he or she shares the floor with other speakers as well. Listener is anyone who joins the room after a moderator and a speaker. You enter the room on mute and you just listen to the conversation. Hand raising is the power of a listener to join speakers in conversation. If you wish to talk, just raise your hand within the app. Chime in is just another expression for you to contribute or join the conversation. Ping happens when you add someone to the room. You can send an invite to another Clubhouse user to join the room. Leave quietly is also called ghosting, meaning you can leave the room whenever you want and you can join again whenever you want. Overflown room is a full room, a room that can no longer accept new listeners. You have to wait for someone to leave in order for you to join. And club is a special community that deals with a particular topic. Rooms are only open to members of a club unless the room is set to public. There's a PDF waiting for you with all of these keywords. Now you're ready to jump in the app and start learning. See you in the next section.